In this video, I'll talk about the Zeroth Law of Thermodynamics, and it's a pretty simple law of thermodynamics. What is it? So let's say we have three objects: object A, object B, and object C. And object A and C are in thermal equilibrium. What does the mean by thermal equilibrium? So when I say thermal equilibrium A and C, that means object A and C are at the same temperature. Or in other words, when we place them in contact with each other, physically contact, then there is no exchange of heat energy between A and C. And it happens only when both A and C are at the same temperature. Okay, so coming back to again, A and C are at the same or are in thermal equilibrium. B and C are also in thermal equilibrium. Then the zeroth law of thermodynamics tell you that A and B must be in thermal equilibrium. Okay, so mathematically, if you had to write down, is TA is equal to TC. That means A and C are in thermal equilibrium, and also B and C are in thermal equilibrium, and this means TA and TB must be in thermal equilibrium. If there is no exchange of heat energy between A and C, if there is no exchange of heat energy between B and C, then there should not be any exchange of heat energy between A and B. That is the Zeroth law of thermodynamics. Okay, so this is it from this short video. Again, if you have any questions, write down your questions in the comment section below. Thank you very much.